Hello and welcome to Just Learn Python. This is Python tutorial for beginners. We are in part 14 of this series and we are learning strings. This is the continuation of the last video where we are learning about strings. So in last video we have learnt about some basic string types, that is raw string, Unicode string and byte string, and then we have learnt some built-in functions on string. We applied some built-in functions like len, max and min on string. In this video we are going to learn about slicing and indexing of strings. This is important. So with this we can manipulate strings. For that we should learn how to do indexing and slicing. First we will look at indexing. As we know, string is a sequence of characters. Elements in the strings are characters. We can access a character by using a index operation. The syntax is string open square bracket, pass the index and close the square bracket. Now here I have a text which is assigned Python is a cool programming language as a string. Now here some examples are there where we are printing the characters by accessing the index. The index starts from 0 and it ends at length of the string -1. So now here text 0 give us p, text 1 will give us y, text 5 will give us 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It should give us n. Like that we can also do negative indexing, which will start from right hand side. So text of -1 will give us e, text of -2 will give us g, and the text of -20 will give 20th character from the right hand side. Let us run this code and look at the output. So now p, that is the first character, y, that's second character, and the fifth character is n, and -1, that is e, g and p. I think this is the 20th character. Fine. Now slicing. With the slicing we can get a part of a string, that is called as substring. For slicing we use colon. Colon is used inside a square bracket. The syntax is the string open square bracket, then begin, that is the value index, colon, the end index. Begin and end are indexes to get the substring. Begin defaults to 0 if not specified, and end defaults to length -1, length of the string -1. Fine. Now let us look at examples of string slicing. The same text here, Python is a cool programming language. Of course it is. Now in the first example we are not specifying start and end. We are just using square bracket and colon. Inside square brackets no begin and end. So this will return us the entire string. Start will be default to 0 and end will be length -1. The index starts from 0 and ends at length -1. That way to remember. Fine. Next, example 2, we are not specifying the start and we only specify end. That is text open bracket, begin is not specified and end is 4. So it starts from 0 and goes up to 4. That is 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 4 is not included. It is up to start from begin to end. Don't include the end character. That's how it is. Fine. Next one is only specify start. End is not specified. It will go up to end. End means length -1. So now it starts from 7th character, that is I. It goes to length -1 up to end. In the next example, example 4, we are specifying both start and end, where we get a part of a string which start at index 7 up to index 9. This is how we get part of a string. Now in example 5 we are going from 17. So programming language, that part is I am going to 17th index, this is the 17th index, and go up till the end. So you get the full string programming language. If you want only programming, go up to G. The next one is we can also give negative index. So it starts from 16 and goes up to -9. So you get programming. We can also do positive index also to get the programming. So here is an example where we can do negative index and get programming. Fine. So there is also another syntax where we use extended slicing, where another optional parameter, that is step. With step we can do some more manipulation of the string. This syntax is string begin colon end colon step. This part you already know. Another parameter, that is step, we are giving here. Now example 1, where begin and end is not specified. Text begin and not specified, but only step as 1 it is specified. Begin to end with step value is 1. Fine. Then text begin, end and step are not specified. Step defaults to 1, begin defaults to 0, end defaults to length minus 1. These all values are same. That's what we are printing here. Text, no start and end specified here also, and only step value passing it here. So these are all same and it returns the same string, entire string. In the next example, begin and end are not specified, only step is specified. I want the string in steps of 2 from start to end. So you will get in steps of 2. If you see P, next is T, next is O, then C and O, like that it is. Fine. Next one is, you can reverse a string by using a negative index. This is a trick question people ask during interview. We can use extended slicing mechanism to get the reverse string. So what it will do, go from start to end from reverse right hand side in steps of minus 1. Here an example where start, end and step are all passed. So start with 1, end is 37, that is the 37 and in steps of 3. So you get some string which is in steps of 3. We can also use negative index minus 2 where start and end are not specified. Now if you see this output, so it is in reverse order in steps of minus 2. From right hand side it gives every alternative character it will give. Fine. So in this video we learnt about indexing, slicing and extended slicing. I hope this video is useful to you and you like this video, and if you really like this video, please give a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click the bell icon so that whenever a new video is uploaded and you will get a notification. In the next video we are going to continue with the strings and we are going to learn about how to add string and numbers, how to manipulate strings with numbers, and some string basic methods we will cover. So please join us in the next video. Thank you for watching.